We got a moth to wake back. Today, let us learn how to greet people in Dinka language, either in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. So let us see how you can greet people in Dinka language. So let us begin. Greeting in the morning. Greeting in the morning in Dinka language, when you meet someone in the morning, you say, Chi bak, Chi ibak, Chi ibak. Chi ibak mean how are you? How are you? How are you? That is a greeting. That is a greeting. Or you say good morning. Chi ibak mean how are you or good morning. Then you will reply and ache back and ache back and ache back and ache back mean I am fine. I am fine. I am fine. So that is the greeting in the morning. Or you can also say Shagnin, Shagnin Wapol, Shagnin Wapol, Shagnin Kacha. Shagnin mean have you guys sleep well? Have you sleep well? Mean Shagnin. So I did not write it here. I will write it next time. The other way of greeting, which is both, we can use this greeting both in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. This greeting number 2 is Yin Paul Whoop, Yin Paul Whoop, Yin Paul Whoop, Yin Paul Whoop. Yin mean you. Paul Whoop mean is your body well? Is your body well? This greeting you use it both in the morning, afternoon, also in the evening. Then you will reply and Paul Whoop, and Paul Whoop, and Paul Whoop. And upon goop mean I am well. I am well. Or my body is well. So goop, 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 goop mean body. Goop mean body. So that's how we greet people. I am well, or you can reply and atwine. And atwine. And atwine. And atwine mean I am sick or unwell. I am sick or unwell. So that's another way of replying. When someone say in Paul Gop, you will reply an Paul Gop. If you are well, I am well, or an atwine mean I am sick or unwell. So it depends to your situation there, if you are sick or if you are well. So you will reply. So when you are sick, you will say an atwine, an atwine. I am sick. The other way of greeting, which is for afternoon, and we use it for afternoon and in the evening, is chachol, chachol. Chachol means good afternoon or good evening. Good afternoon or good evening. Good afternoon or good evening mean chachol. Then you reply and achi chol a Paul Gup and achi chol a Paul Gup and achi chol a Paul Gup. That means I spend the day well. I spent the day well, or my day was good. You will reply, I spent the day well or my day was good. Mean and achi chol a Paul Gup and achi chol a Paul Gup. That means nothing bad happened to your body. So the other way of asking person is Kiraj Aliu. Kiraj Aliu. Kiraj Aliu. No, the other way of replying. Kiraj Aliu. Kiraj Aliu mean nothing but. Nothing but. Nothing but. Kiraj Aliu. Or you can reply Kiraj Atautin. Kiraj Atautin. Kiraj Atautin. Kiraj means something but. Kiraj means but. There is bad news or there is bad things. when there is something bad. So these are how we greet people, guys. Let me repeat so that you guys can understand well. Chi back, chi back, chi back. How are you? Or good morning. You reply and achieve back. And achieve back. That means I am fine. Number two, yin Paul Gup. Yin Paul Gup. Is your body well or are you well? Then you reply to person and a Paul Gup. And a Paul Gup. That means I am well, or you can also reply and a twang. And a twang. And a twang means I am sick or I am unwell. You can also ask the person Chachol. Chachol, this greeting is for afternoon and in the evening. Chachol, good afternoon or good evening. When someone says Chachol, it means good afternoon or good evening. Then you reply and achi chol apple gup. And achi chol apple gup. That means I spent the day well or my day was good. Then or you can also reply Kiraj Aliu. Kiraj Aliu. Nothing but. Or you can also reply Kiraj Atotin. Kiraj Atotin. That means there is bad news. So these are the way we greet people, guys, in Dinka language. Someone called Faith Por asked me about the greetings. That's why I make this greeting so that he can also learn and others can also learn. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and be part of Dinka Learning Family. I really appreciate those of you who really comment, like, and share the video. Thank you for sharing the video. Nyalikawe Kuyania. Bye, William Majak Malek Deng.